In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account or sub-account where the tag currently exists. Since tags are often used for organizing contacts, automations, and internal workflows, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right place before deleting anything. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Settings. This section contains many of the backend options for your account, including tools for managing items like tags. After the settings page opens, stay on the left-hand side again and look for the Tags option. Click on Tags to open the Tag Management area. This is where all of your existing tags are listed, making it easy to review and manage them in one place. When you're on the Tags page, move your cursor over the tag names. Hovering over the list helps you identify the specific tag you want to remove. Especially if you have several similar tags or a long list, take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct one, because deleting a tag is something you'll want to do carefully. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the tag row. This is where the action controls for that tag will appear. Find the trash icon associated with the tag you want to delete and click on it. The trash button is the option that starts the deletion process. After clicking the trash icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is a helpful safeguard that gives you one last chance to review your choice before the tag is permanently removed. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes, Delete, and that's it. The tag will be deleted from your Gohighlevel account. As a quick tip before removing a tag, it can be helpful to make sure it's no longer needed in any workflows, campaigns, or contact organization processes. That can help you avoid accidentally removing something that still serves a purpose. Now you know exactly how to delete tags in Gohighlevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.